how to copy text on Reddit mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now go ahead and scroll through and tap on the post that you want to copy text from. Once you have opened the post, tap hold on the text that you want to copy and further go ahead and drag the slider to copy the portion that you want to copy. Now in the menu that appears, you will see the copy option along with few other options. Tap on the copy option and now go ahead and paste it anywhere you want. So this is how you can copy text on Reddit mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.